This is my old rice cooker, which is a Black & Decker rice cooker, but it's the Teflon inside. It's not stainless steel, and the Teflon is peeling off. See? You notice it? So that is not really good. That's not good. So I'm gonna get rid of this. They always say that getting a Teflon is not really good because it peels off. So I'm so happy I found a stainless steel, and it's heavy. It's heavy. So we'll see how it works. I'll try it. This is the water measurement. This is the water measurement. So if it's 2 cups, 2, just like in there, 2.